Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Maz and today I'm doing another video on the F-Type. And in today's video we're going to fit these LED indicators. So here's what the box looks like, and these indicators are actually for your door mirrors. So let's unbox this. And here they are, even covered in bubble wrap. Let's get one out. It is worth mentioning that these can fit any Jaguar pretty much. So this would fit on the old XF that I had, as well as the facelift of the previous XF, the XE, the XJ, the I-Pace, and now the other one. There we go. Okay, so let's get our trim tool in to open this mirror housing. Oh, almost out. There we go. And use this torque screw to undo the housings. Actually, we should take this off first. There we go. That's one. That's two. And then this should just come off like so. And I'll put the new one in. Like a glove. There we go. Does it work? Ooh, yes it does. So putting the torque screws back in. That one's done. Now the housing. Mission complete. One more time. Now let's get the other side done. Done. So here is the result, ladies and gentlemen. I am quite happy with it. Instead of being one LED that reflects over, it is a series of LED bulbs. And in case they fail, I'll keep the originals in here for safekeeping. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me swap the side repeaters on my F-Type. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to stay up to speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.